Here we have an interesting 1948, or it could be 1949, Hudson Commodore Club Coupe. Very nice paint job, wide white walls, very streamlined. 1948 was the beginning of this design, and as far as I can see, there was no change for 1949. Notice the wood tone, the deluxe steering wheel. Under the hood, we have a flathead 6-cylinder engine. It was also available as an 8-cylinder car. There you see an oil bath air cleaner, 6-volt battery. And you notice the windshield is curved, but in two pieces, with a dividing strip in the middle. Lots of chrome here and bumper protection. This is a unit body, very new concept for the time, and had step-down design because the frame was surrounding the edge, the outer edge of the car, providing more protection in case of a collision. Has a broadcloth interior, looks pretty original to me, and a pretty big trunk.